How to add color correction in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the color workspace from the bottom of the interface. This is where all the color correction magic happens. Next, select the clip you want to correct from your timeline. Once selected, you will see the clip appear in the viewer along with several corrections tools like color wheels, curves, scopes, and more. Now, use the lift, gamma, gain, and offset wheels to adjust the shadows, midtones, highlights, and overall image brightness or color. For instance, if your shadows are too dark, you can raise the lift wheel to bring back detail. After that, check your scopes like the waveform and vectorscope to make sure your labels are balanced. This helps avoid overexposure or crossed blacks while also keeping skin tones natural. Then, use the curves tool for more detail adjustment. With custom curves, you can fine-tune contrast and brightness by adding points and dragging the curve line up or down to change tonal areas. If needed, you can also use the U versus U or U versus saturation curves to target specific color ranges and adjust them without affecting the rest of the image. And that's it. Now you know how to add color correction in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.